Here's the problem. Most seniors are eating breakfasts that cause energy crashes, muscle loss, and digestive issues without even realizing it. Sugary cereals, pastries, and even some seemingly healthy options are working against your body's changing needs. But there's a solution that's both simple and research-backed. Studies show adults over 55 need about 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily to prevent muscle loss, yet most breakfast choices fall far short of this requirement. When you understand the 3 essential nutritional building blocks that every senior needs at breakfast, you can create meals that actually boost your energy and support your health. I'm about to show you 4 specific recipes that demonstrate exactly how to do this, starting with the missing ingredients that could transform your morning energy. The 3 building blocks that transform your morning are simpler than you might think, but most seniors are missing at least one of them. Your body changes after 55, and your breakfast needs to change too. Most people keep eating the same way they did in their 30s. They grab a bowl of cereal, toast with jam, or maybe a muffin with coffee. These foods might have worked when you were younger, but they're not doing your aging body any favors. Here's what's shocking. Even healthy-looking breakfasts can work against you if they're missing these key components. You might think you're making good choices with whole grain toast or fruit yogurt, but without the right combination of nutrients, you're setting yourself up for energy crashes, muscle loss, and digestive problems. Your metabolism has slowed down, your muscle mass naturally decreases, and your body processes nutrients differently than it used to. The first building block is protein, and you need more than you think. Studies recommend 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kilogram of body weight daily to preserve muscle, which means spreading this throughout your meals. This isn't just about looking strong, it's about maintaining your independence and preventing falls. Protein helps your body repair muscle tissue, keeps your immune system working properly, and stabilizes your blood sugar levels throughout the morning. Without enough protein, your body starts breaking down muscle tissue for energy, which makes you weaker over time. Research shows seniors need more protein to slow natural muscle declines that accelerate after age 50. This muscle loss affects everything from your ability to carry groceries to your balance when walking. Protein also helps you feel full longer, which prevents you from reaching for unhealthy snacks before lunch. Your body can't store protein like it stores fat, so you need to replenish it every single day. The second building block is fiber, which keeps your blood sugar steady and prevents those mid-morning crashes that leave you feeling tired and foggy. Fiber slows down how quickly your body absorbs sugar from food, which means you won't experience those sharp spikes and drops in energy. Most seniors get less than half the recommended 21 to 30 grams of daily fiber, according to USDA guidelines. Fiber also feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which plays a crucial role in your immune system and overall health. The third building block is healthy fats, and this might surprise you. Omega-3 fatty acids support cognitive function as you age, while all healthy fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, and K. They also provide sustained energy that doesn't cause blood sugar spikes. These fats support brain function, reduce inflammation throughout your body, and help maintain healthy hormone levels. When you combine all 3 building blocks, something amazing happens. Your energy stays steady for hours instead of crashing. You feel satisfied after eating, your muscles get the nutrients they need to stay strong, and your brain functions better throughout the day. This combination also helps regulate your appetite, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. These aren't just random nutrients, they're the foundation that every senior breakfast needs to support your changing body. Now let me show you exactly how to put these building blocks together in recipes that deliver everything your body needs. The first recipe combines all 3 building blocks perfectly: the Greek yogurt parfait that fights muscle loss. You might walk past parfaits in the grocery store and think they're just another sweet treat, but that's where most people get it wrong. Greek yogurt parfaits seem basic, but when you build them right, they become a powerful tool for maintaining muscle and energy throughout your entire morning. Most people make parfaits wrong. They use regular yogurt and sugary toppings that actually work against their health goals. They grab flavored yogurt loaded with added sugar, throw in some granola that's often high in added sugars, which can spike blood sugar, and wonder why they feel hungry again an hour later. Regular yogurt contains far less protein than Greek yogurt, which means you're missing out on the muscle-building benefits your body desperately needs. Those sugary toppings cause blood sugar spikes that leave you crashing before lunch. Start with plain Greek yogurt. This delivers about 20 grams of protein per cup, which is exactly what your muscles need to stay strong. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt goes through a straining process that removes excess whey, concentrating the protein content. This higher protein concentration is crucial for seniors because your body becomes less efficient at using protein as you age. You need more protein per meal to get the same muscle-building benefits you used to get from smaller amounts. The protein in Greek yogurt contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source that your body can use immediately for muscle repair and maintenance. Add a tablespoon of chopped walnuts or almonds. These provide healthy fats that help your body absorb vitamins and keep you satisfied. These nuts are rich in monounsaturated fats, shown to help regulate blood pressure in older adults, and they provide sustained energy without causing blood sugar spikes. The healthy fats also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D, which becomes increasingly important for bone health as you age. Just 1 tablespoon provides enough healthy fats to trigger satiety hormones that keep you feeling full for hours. Layer in fresh berries like blueberries or strawberries. They're packed with antioxidants that protect your brain and provide natural fiber. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, powerful compounds that improve memory and cognitive function. Strawberries provide vitamin C and folate, nutrients that support immune function and help prevent cognitive decline. The natural fiber in berries slows down sugar absorption, preventing the energy crashes that come from eating refined carbohydrates. Fresh berries also add natural sweetness without any added sugars. Sprinkle hemp seeds or chia seeds on top. Just 1 tablespoon adds omega-3 fatty acids and extra protein your body craves. Hemp seeds provide complete protein and contain the ideal ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids for reducing inflammation. Chia seeds expand in your stomach, helping you feel full longer while providing sustained energy. These tiny seeds also contain calcium and magnesium, minerals that become increasingly important for bone health as you age. The magic happens when you eat this combination. The protein builds muscle, the fiber keeps you full, and the healthy fats give you steady energy. Your blood sugar stays stable because the protein and healthy fats slow down how quickly your body processes the natural sugars from the berries. The fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which supports your immune system and helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively. This parfait delivers all 3 building blocks in 1 delicious bowl, and you can make it in under 3 minutes. You can prepare several parfaits at once and store them in the refrigerator for busy mornings. But if you want to pack even more nutrition into your morning routine, there's another option that might surprise you with how good it tastes. This green smoothie delivers all 3 building blocks while tasting like a berry milkshake instead of liquid vegetables. Most green smoothies fail because they use too many bitter greens or the wrong combinations of ingredients. People throw in kale, celery, and cucumber without understanding how these vegetables interact with other flavors, creating smoothies so unpalatable they give up entirely. The secret isn't avoiding vegetables, it's knowing exactly which ones to use and how to balance them with the right flavors. You want vegetables that provide maximum nutrition without overpowering the taste. The key is choosing mild greens and using the right ratio of sweet ingredients to mask any vegetable flavor completely. Start with a handful of baby spinach. This mild green provides iron, folate, and vitamins with a mild taste that disappears when blended. Baby spinach is completely different from mature spinach leaves. It has a neutral flavor that vanishes when you blend it with other ingredients. This spinach provides iron to prevent anemia and maintain your energy levels throughout the day. It also contains folate, which supports cell growth and function. The vitamins A, C, and K in spinach support your vision, immune system, and bone health. Add half a frozen banana for natural sweetness and potassium that helps regulate blood pressure. Harvard recommends 3,400 milligrams of potassium daily for men over 50 and 2,600 milligrams for women, and most seniors fall short of this target. The banana provides natural sugars that make your smoothie taste like a dessert instead of a health drink. Potassium helps balance sodium in your body, which directly impacts your blood pressure and reduces your risk of heart problems and stroke. Frozen bananas also make your smoothie thick and creamy like a milkshake. Include a scoop of vanilla protein powder. This boosts your protein content and makes the smoothie taste like a milkshake. Harvard research confirms that whey protein is particularly effective for building muscle in older adults, more so than plant-based proteins. If you avoid dairy, soy isolate protein works well too, though it has a lower amino acid profile. The vanilla flavor completely transforms your smoothie from tasting like vegetables to tasting like dessert. This protein content supports muscle maintenance and keeps you full for hours. Pour in unsweetened almond milk and add a tablespoon of almond butter. These healthy fats make the smoothie creamy and satisfying. The almond milk provides a neutral base that blends everything together smoothly. Almond butter adds healthy monounsaturated fats that slow down sugar absorption and provide sustained energy. These fats also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins from the spinach and other ingredients. Throw in a handful of frozen berries for antioxidants and natural sweetness that completely masks any vegetable taste. Berries contain powerful compounds that improve memory and cognitive function. The natural sweetness from berries is the final piece that makes your smoothie taste amazing instead of healthy. When you blend this combination, you get a smoothie that tastes like a berry milkshake but delivers more nutrition than most people eat all day. The spinach becomes completely undetectable, and the protein powder makes it taste like a dessert. You now have two powerful breakfast options that transform how you start your day. Building these nutritious breakfasts into your routine creates lasting changes that extend far beyond your morning meal. These recipes aren't just breakfast ideas, they're templates you can use to create dozens of healthy variations that fit your taste preferences. You can swap different nuts, berries, or protein powders to keep things interesting. Change the almond milk to oat milk, or add different spices like cinnamon to your parfait. Try one of these recipes at least 3 mornings this week and notice the difference in energy and mood. Studies link a balanced breakfast to better morning alertness and metabolic health. Your body will thank you for giving it exactly what it needs to stay strong, energized, and healthy as you age. Thanks for watching. If you found these breakfast ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up to support our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips tailored for seniors, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you know someone who could benefit from these nutritious recipes, share this video with them. Together, we can promote healthier, more energized mornings at any age. See you in the next video.